Do you have a problem with mice indoors? If so, perhaps this product from XPest is for you. Interesting. From XPest, a mini ultrasonic mouse repeller, model UR04. This has 2 ultrasonic mouse repellers that you could just plug into electrical outlet. Ultrasound, plug and play, no poisons, and dual frequency. Here's the manufacturer's information. Here's some more manufacturer's information. Here's customer support. Here's some specs. I don't do QR codes. And these work to drive away indoor mice and pests. High frequency waves that are inaudible to humans and pets but cause discomfort and fear in rodents, gradually making them stay away from the device's coverage areas and suitable for indoor places such as homes, offices, and restaurants. Yeah, I was just wondering if I would put it on the front porch. Before use, be sure to confirm the power voltage. Since most pests are active on the ground, use product should be installed as low to the ground as possible. Start to take effect within a few days, 2 to 4 weeks. Generally, it takes 2 to 4 weeks of continuous use to see better results. And at the beginning of use as possible, the mice may become more active. That's what happened with my scarecrows. The raccoons came up and investigated it, and then after that, it was like it was a different device. It scared them away, and they never came back on the porch again. This is a sign that the mice are being stimulated, but after a period of time, they will disappear. Even if some mice cannot escape for a while, they will become lethargic, lose their appetite, and lose their ability to breed and destroy. We don't have any batteries in this because it plugs in an outlet. 12-month warranty. To use, simply plug the plug directly into a power socket and it will start working. At the same time, the green, blue, red indicator lights will alternately illuminate. Press the button on the side to turn off the indicator lights while the ultrasonic waves continue to work normally. There's the manufacturer's emblem. And I guess that's a little button to cut off. This product should work continuously throughout the year and should not be used intermittently. Do not have tall obstacles within 1 meter in front of the product. I've never seen a mouse in my house, but I'm going to put these at the outlets by the front door and the back door. Let's see, we'll have to move these around. These are the best outlet extenders. Well, maybe we won't be moving it that way. So as it said in the instructions, it's cycling through red, blue, and I saw green before I could get the camera on. So now we're supposed to touch the button on the side, and it's supposed to be working. You do your thing. Quite attractive and not in any way intrusive at all. It just looks like a little light fixture or something put in there, or maybe an air freshener. This is an outlet by the front door. I don't like the way that one's sitting up. I don't like this outlet extender because it has a little bump here. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link for the anchor outlet extender like I had before. Is flat. It doesn't come out. This one doesn't secure to the wall. Cycling through the colors. Cut it off up here. And it should be working. Thanks for watching my video about the XPest Mini Ultrasound Mouse Repeller. Remember to check the text below, and the first comment, I'll have it pinned for a link on how you can buy this product or one similar. And if you have time before you go, watch another video and give this one a thumbs up. Leave a positive comment or a negative one if you like. If you've had any experience with these types of things, let us know in the comments. And until next time, let's just help each other remind these critters that we are the dominant species. Thanks.